Autumn is here and October has 5 Fridays, so even more inspiration on its way to you. If you are invested in the Sampler Quilt series with Sally Ann Harrison, then this month brings you the flying geese technique that is used in the Dutchman's puzzle block, plus the traditional log cabin and the grandmother's fan block, all using the wonderful Forest Fruits colour range of fabrics from Oakshott. Jenny Raymond has us tinkering with trumpets and using the fancy fandango she shared with us last month. Lee Brown returns with Japanese folded 3D patchwork to make this very delightful cushion. Kathleen Laurel Sage shows us how to create this padded leather goldwork in her brilliant embroidery workshop. Our Technique Thursday video is a tip from crochet expert Jane Czaja on creating these striking but easy tassels, which she uses to enhance her scarf but could be used in all sorts of home decoration items. And on the theme of home decoration, Tess Grace from the Arty Crafty shop shows us how to block print a lampshade, which comes as a kit so you can personalise any room in your home. If you love using scraps, then this workshop with Paula Doyle will be right up your street. It's called Itsy Bits and Wonky Strips, and we guarantee you will be looking at your wastebasket with a whole new mindset and creating stunning, unique quilts. Of course, we mustn't forget Halloween is just around the corner, so Kate Findlay is showing us how to embellish this scary ghost t-shirt, and also how to create a Halloween goodie bag for the kids to collect all those yummy sweets. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.